guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. So here's a handful of my makeup brushes. As you guys can see, they have lots of makeup all gunked up in there. And I'm just gonna take one of my brushes. This is my blush brush from Real Techniques. And I'm putting it into this blue solution, as you guys can see. And I tried to use a clear bowl so you guys could see how the solution actually kind of works. And this is actually a makeup remover solution by Cinema Secrets. And what I love about this solution is that it instantly dries your brushes. So right now, as you guys can see, the brush is soaking wet. I'm getting it really saturated with all the product because I really want to make sure all of that foundation is off of my makeup brush. And I'm just going to squeeze out the excess. And then I'm taking a paper towel and I'm just gonna rub off any residue makeup that is still on that brush until my paper towel is clear. And as you guys can see, it's instantly dry. My brush is completely dry now. And I'm gonna do one with a foundation brush that has lots of like foundation gunked up in it. And I want you guys to see how strong this is. Look at that. It instantly turned all of the blue solution the color of my foundation. Look at that. It's gonna be completely clean. And that's pretty much all you do to make sure that your foundation brushes are clean. You do wanna clean your foundation brushes very often just to prevent breakouts, especially if you're a makeup artist. You have to have something like this on hand to clean in between clients so that your foundation brushes are clean and they're ready to use. And so I'm just squeezing out that excess product again, as you guys can see, making sure it's all out. Putting the brush on my paper towel until my paper towel is clean and clear. And boom, my brush is clean and it's completely dry. So if you guys need something to deep clean your brushes and you don't want to have to wet your brushes down and wait 2 days for them to dry, this product works really well for that. And when it gets dirty, you just pretty much rinse it out in the sink, you pour some more into your bowl, and you keep cleaning. I use this for all of my brushes. I haven't had any problems with my brushing shedding afterwards, with it dissolving the glue. This is my favorite brush cleaner, and I think it's like $40 for the big size that I have, or you can get a trial size for $8. And I'll make sure to leave the links below of where you can purchase it. I think you can still purchase it on Amazon and on Sephora.com. And look, no matter what brush I use it on, if it was powder or liquid foundation, it gets my brushes completely clean. Now this is the second way you can do it. It's a little less messy. I'm using less of my blue solution, and then I'm literally, instead of letting the product soak into the bowl, into the solution, which eventually turns dirty and it makes me have to change my solution more often, I'm just rubbing out the excess on a clean paper towel. So this might be a better solution if you don't want to do as deep of a clean, or the brushes have more powder than liquid in it. This is another option for how you can use it. And you pretty much can just keep repeating this process until you have all of your brushes clean and clear. And as you guys can see, I just keep showing y'all, like, your brushes are literally ready to use within 2 minutes. And when you're done, the cleanup is really, really easy. Just wipe down your work area, and now all of your brushes are clean and ready to use. You guys, make sure y'all are cleaning your brushes at least like this on a daily basis to just help with breakouts and clogged pores. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, simple tutorial on how I'm able to use clean brushes every single day. You can too, because now your brushes are dry. You don't have to wait 3 days for them to eventually dry. So make sure you guys thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.